I'm curious, if coal is subjected to enough pressure, is it possible for it to turn into diamonds? Let's start by watching a video. This takes place in a factory where workers pour some powder into molds and apply pressure. After repeated pressing, the powder transforms into smooth, brand new bricks. Not only that, by changing the molds, you can also produce items like a phone card slot or a gear. This process is called the pressurized molding of powder crystals. The pressure applied during this process is around 500 to 600 megapascals. However, the powder only changes its shape and density. Next, we'll replace the powder with coal and place it under a hydraulic press. Using 500 megapascals of pressure, the coal crumbles into powder. Clearly, applying pressure alone isn't enough. We then tried heating the coal before pressing it, but that also failed. We know that the natural formation of diamonds requires extremely harsh conditions. An oxygen-free environment, temperatures of 900 to 1400 degrees Celsius, and pressures of 5 to 6 gigapascals over billions of years. However, synthetic diamonds are now a reality, with one method involving high temperature and high pressure. The material used for this is pure carbon powder, like graphite, which is placed in a six-sided press. Under controlled high temperature and pressure, and with a metallic catalyst, the graphite powder crystallizes into diamonds. Given these conditions, let's try converting coal into higher purity graphite. To turn graphite into diamonds, approximately 50,000 atmospheres of pressure are required. Two controllable factors are the pressure the press can apply and the contact area of the piston. In this experiment, we used a tungsten carbide piston with a diameter of about 1 centimeter. Calculations showed that the press needed to exert a force of about 40 tons. Copper wires connected to a transformer were welded to the top and bottom. The transformer could provide a maximum current of 180 amps, generating an arc temperature of over 2000 degrees Celsius. After setting everything up, we placed the graphite in the press and applied pressure. Will it succeed this time? Upon closer inspection, among the fragments of black graphite, there appeared some tiny yellowish substances. Could these be diamonds? Like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.